In this video, I will show you how to change the Bitcoin receiving address in the Exodus wallet. First, open your Exodus app and navigate to the tab located at the bottom right of the screen. Then, tap on Assets under the Staking and NFTs section. From there, select Bitcoin at the top of the list. Once selected, click the settings icon at the top right corner. Here, you will see options for legacy, Taproot, and multiple addresses. To change your receiving address, make sure to enable all three address types. Next, tap the back icon at the top left, then close the settings screen by clicking the X. Now, return to the tab at the bottom left and select Receive. Choose Bitcoin, and you will now see arrows on the right and left sides of the screen. By tapping these arrows, you can switch between your Taproot and legacy Bitcoin addresses. These are the addresses you previously enabled in the settings. This is how you can easily change the Bitcoin receiving address in your Exodus wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and consider subscribing.